Alright, we came in the room here just to change clothes real quick, and look, our towel animal is already here. We have an elephant today. And they're still in the package, so I don't know how easy this is going to be to see. Let's see if it'll focus on it. But they gave everybody little 50th birthday party pins. We've been out by the pool area, hanging out. We had one little snafu today. So my sign-in sale card, it came apart. Had to go down, customer service, get another one. Not a big deal, only takes about 2 or 3 minutes to get it. The problem is the line was over an hour long. There's some issues with the app. There's issues with people getting charged, I guess, twice for the chat feature. I think that's $5 to use that. Now, they made several announcements saying, hey, don't come get in line here at customer service. It's fine. We know about it. It's a glitch. We're going to fix it. But they just kept coming in line, and had to go up there and, I guess, let somebody tell them. And then there was, and I don't know how they managed to make this happen, but I guess she owed money from her sign-in sale card on a previous cruise. Somehow she got off the ship without fixing that balance, and it caught up with her, and I guess it messed up her sign-in sale this time. So, yeah. Make sure you take care of all of your sign-in sale stuff before you get off the ship. Just a little warning, because she left customer service and didn't look real happy about it. So, just putting that out there. Now, somebody told us if we go all the way forward on deck 6, that there's an observation area up here on the front of the ship we can access. So we're going up here to take a look real quick. And that should be our door. They said a door with a porthole, right?
Yeah. I think so. That says crew only.
That says crew only. This doesn't. Check it out. We found the bow of the ship. We're up here on deck 6. At the very bow of the ship, and it's so windy. But it's a nice little area. You can sit down. Got some Carnival Vista benches. Let's see. And then it just comes around to right over there. So you can see right down along the front. And supposedly we can go right up here and do the same thing up here on deck 7. And it's got another little area here on deck 7. And look, we are right below the bridge. We got the bridge folks right up there. And this probably should go around about the same distance. Yep. Ends right over there. You can see the edges of the bridge. So we're right underneath the bridge right here. Well, that's super cool. Wanted to come check all this out right here. Alright, so we found a cool little area. Alright, we're going to head into the Funnel Gear Fun Shop here on board. See what kind of stuff they got in here. Tiffany has already found something. What have you?
Coke bottles that you put in.
Oh, there's your Coke bottles at Cherry on Top. They have them over here. Stuff for the kids. Stuff for your kitchen. They got the bears, the ship models, beach. Let's see what they got here. Sweatshirts, way too warm for any of that. You got your shot glasses, your magnets, keychains, sunscreen products, tons of lanyards, hats, shirts. All the way down, more hats. More Tiffany. Christmas. Of course, they got water bottles, coffee mugs. Just regular clothing items. Over here they have your purses. And that's going to be it for the fun shops here on the Carnival Vista. Alright, so we're in the Punchliner Comedy Club. You're going to see a little comedy show here. Now, this is going to be the PG show, so this isn't the good and dirty one. We may have to come back for the good and dirty one later if we have the energy. Getting a little tired for being 7:15. And we still haven't eaten dinner tonight. It's formal night. Said, nope on the formal night. Instead, we've just been kind of grunging it all day long. As you can see, I don't know if y'all can tell from the video, it looks like got a little bit of sun today because we've been sitting by the pool. And we'll have some good stories for you guys tonight, though. It's been a Karen of the Seas kind of day today. I mean, we saw security throw someone out their room 2 doors down. Don't know what was going on with that, but it was happening. Yeah, so we're going to have a lot to share with you guys for today. But right now, we're going to check out some comedy. Hopefully he's funny. Tell us some good jokes.
Yeah, this is our first evening of our comedy shows, and we are super, super excited to have you all here and to be having such an amazing lineup for you. My name is Keegan, and I am part of your fun squad. Can I get a little round of applause for our fun squad, everybody? Yeah, we work on this event, and we make sure that we're bringing you the energy.
All right, we finally made it to dinner. We just hit the buffet here tonight because it's kind of late. What time is it? Almost 9 o'clock?
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock. But so we just hit the buffet. Figure we give this a try tonight. Kind of just taking it easy and chilling. Let's see.
Salad, broccoli, fish, potato, and oyster.
Yeah, a little bit of everything. Yeah, I got fettuccine alfredo, chicken, twice baked potato in a roll. So yeah, a little bit of everything, no rhyme or reason to these plates. Alrighty everyone, that is going to end our first day here at sea. Tomorrow is another sea day, but we are also doing the big ship meetup is supposed to be tomorrow afternoon. They're supposed to be doing the largest TikTok video at sea is supposed to be tomorrow as well. So we have those 2 items to look forward to tomorrow. So just kind of want to recap today, what went on today. And I said, today has been a really interesting day in cruising, I think. And, I mentioned it earlier. I mentioned it in another video. I don't know if it's because the recent change in health and safety protocols, suddenly more people want to cruise because now you don't have to wear a mask. I don't know if it's because it's a specialty cruise. It's the Carnival Celebration cruise. I don't know what it is. I just know that we've gone from 30%, 40%, and 50% capacities to this ship is at 100% capacity. They've already said there's almost 4,000 people on board this ship, and it only holds 3,984 at full capacity. So almost 4,000. That kind of tells me 100% capacity, or really, really darn close. And suddenly we're cruising with a different type of people. I don't know if they haven't cruised in 2 years. They got out here today and they lost their minds. They've forgotten everything about cruising. They've forgotten everything about cruise etiquette. They just don't care. Honestly, I don't know, but it's been one of those kind of days where you're just kind of staring at people. There's been a huge amount of negativity from other passengers on board the ship, talking about this is the worst cruise they've ever been on. Everything's wrong. Nothing works. I mean, we're talking less than 24 hours of being on the ship. We're hearing this kind of stuff. The line at customer service today was huge. I mean, it was a good hour and a half to 2 hours waiting in the customer service line just to get up there. I had to wait in it today because my sign and sale card came apart. I had to get another one. But these people were in line because the app wasn't working right, or they thought they were getting double charged for the chat feature on board inside the app, even though they kept making announcement over announcement over the, the ship systems, that they were aware of the problem. It was a computer glitch. It was going to be fixed automatically. Don't go stand in line at customer service for this. They were all doing it anyway. They weren't listening. And then it's just been all kinds of crazy stuff and maybe we got spoiled by not having full cruise ships, but I mean, we heard someone today talking about they were going to remove the gratuities to punish Carnival because the app wasn't working right. And I talked about that earlier. How does that make sense to punish the crew? One lady was in customer service arguing, and I don't know how she got in this situation. Okay, let's be clear on that. But she was arguing because apparently she owed $300 from a previous cruise. I'm guessing it was on her sign and sale card, and she didn't take care of it prior to getting off. I don't know how she slipped by, but apparently she slipped by. Still owed some money. And then Carnival, of course, wants their money. And she was basically arguing with, it's a different cruise, so it doesn't count. You can't charge me. And she tied up the line, or a space in the line, forever, arguing that one. Yeah, I mean, it's weird. It's like people aren't very happy. Then we had a very intoxicated lady whose husband decided that they would sit and rest in the Pig and Anchor barbecue. So they were at one of the tables where people were eating, and she's talking about how she's going to throw up and get sick, and he won't take her out of the restaurant area where people are eating. Why would you bring your significant other, female companion, whatever the case may be, to barf in the restaurant on the floor where people are eating? No common sense. I said we had problems with our neighbors right next door. I think security already got them because they have suddenly learned to be quiet. So security got them. 2 doors down from us, security was banging on the doors. Turns out and we didn't find this out till later, but yeah, earlier today, security was banging on the door, telling them get out. They were coming in because they wouldn't answer the door, this and that. Turns out those people 2 doors down, the security was getting, was the lady that was going to throw up in the Pig and Anchor. We found that out. So these are just some examples of what we've seen in the first day. The first day. And we're talking 3 successful cruises before this where we didn't see these kinds of problems. I think before it was dedicated cruisers. It was true cruise fans, true lovers of the cruise that were sailing, and they weren't being problematic. And now it's suddenly like we have some other folks that just aren't thinking that way. It's like they got on board and lost their damn minds. That's the only way I can see it. It's the only way I can think about it. I'm hoping here over the next couple of days, maybe they'll get it out of their system. They'll calm down. They'll start relaxing, and they'll stop being butts, because butts is about the only polite word I can use on this video, because believe me, there's other ones I'd like to use. But enough ranting, enough raving. And like Tiffany just pointed out to me, keep in mind, this is not everybody on the ship. This is one of those, you know, one person acting up for, you know, every 500 people. Well, that one person that's acting up and showing their butt is the one you remember. They're the one being obnoxious. There are thousands of people on the ship that are hi, how are you, friendly, talking, and are good cruising people. Okay, so I just want to point that out. This is not everybody. This is just a few ducks messing up the pond for everybody else. But like I said, enough of that. Today we did have, like I said, we had a good day today. We really did. We kind of took it easy, kind of relaxed. We sat by the pool for a good portion of the day, got a little bit of sun. We watched some ice carving. We learned some new dancing down on the Lido deck. We went to one of the comedy shows. We skipped formal night. And other than that, we've just been kind of relaxing, kind of taking it all in, doing a little bit of people watching, seeing the kind of crazy stuff that we are seeing. But that's going to be enough for today. Tomorrow is going, like I said, it's going to be another sea day. We're going to get some rest, get some sleep, get ready for that. All right, I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Thank you for joining us on the Carnival Vista today. We'll be back tomorrow with some new videos, some new stories, hopefully some even better stories. All right, hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you do me a favor, hit that thumbs up. Have yourself a great day. And like always, we wish you were out here on the high seas with us right now.